Why does Apple manufacture in China? It's not just about cheaper labor. A recently resurfaced video of Tim Cook has reignited the debate, and Elon Musk has added fuel to the fire. Cook claims Apple moved production to China for its specialized skills and infrastructure. Musk, agreeing with Cook, simply replied, "True." This endorsement led to mixed reactions. Some believe Cook, arguing that China offers unique capabilities that go beyond costs. Others think Cook is deflecting from the obvious: labor costs are lower. Interestingly, Musk's support may come from his own experience with Tesla's reliance on Chinese manufacturing, where the focus isn't solely on labor costs, but on advanced supply chains and technical expertise. It's worth noting that Apple has begun diversifying production to other countries like India and Vietnam. Is this a sign that costs do matter, or is it a strategy to hedge against geopolitical risks? The debate has triggered larger questions about global manufacturing. Why do companies like Apple and Tesla choose China? Is it about saving money, or are these tech giants tapping into something more valuable? With evolving market dynamics, geopolitical factors, and rising production needs, the real reason could be a mix of both. What are your thoughts? Are Musk and Cook right, or is there more to the story?